I love getting new things to try, and something I got new today is this voice recorder. Look how tiny it is. It's going to fit perfectly in my purse. If I can figure out how to use this, you definitely can. It was not hard at all. Too much just little symbols that everybody knows. So this is what it looks like and how you're going to use it. So as you can see, there's a switch on the side. You're going to flip that up, and that's going to mean that it's recording and that it's on. But if you don't want to flip that switch, you can also hold this power button down right here, and it says saved and bye-bye, and then when you want it on, it says welcome. Not only do you get this, you get a little microphone, you get a headphone plug, so kind of like an aux cord, and then you get your USB-C charger. I'm gonna get a close-up of how this works and a little bit more about the details. So as you can see, this is on, and as you see that I'm talking, the blue lines are going up and the red dot is flashing, so that means it is on. So this is her. This is going to be the pause and play. So as you can see, it's going and now it's paused. And then you have the forward button, and then the back button, and the up and down. You have your menu and your back, and then this is going to be voice control, and then this is repeat, and this is delete. You see right here, these are going to be the headphone jacks. So this right here, these are going to be the speakers that you talk into. So the microphones that if you just want to hold it up to your mouth and speak. Now this one is going to be your headphone jack, and then this one is going to be your microphone jack. And as you can see, this is your record and save button, your on and off, and then your charger port, and then it comes with an SD card, so you don't have to worry about buying one. So this is this voice recorder. I really like it. It's super easy to use, and if you're like me and you want to try something new, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.